I'm Reinhard Weisser, a senior lecturer in economics at the University of the West of England. I would like to introduce you to our pilot project on the impact of FinTech apps on consumer well-being, which was a collaboration with FinTech West. Let's start with the project's background first. The cost of living crisis highlighted once more how income inequality or lacking access to financial support may lead to young adults struggling, both financially and otherwise. Various digital apps offer access to financial services and planning tools. The design of these apps often focuses on gamification and social media design philosophies. This could spur user anxiety or overconsumption and thus mitigate the positive aspects of FinTech apps. This leads to an important question. How can we ensure that potentially powerful digital financial tools are accessible to and used by those who stand to benefit the most, and make sure these tools are inclusive and more than just a pastime? Guided by this central question, our project's underlying goal was thus to identify research-informed and impactful recommendations for the UK FinTech community to improve consumer well-being. To this end, we designed a pilot study to test and evaluate the data collection strategy that can be refined in a future project extension that aims at establishing a continuous evaluation of FinTech app users' well-being. The main feature of the pilot project is the testing of a multi-stage survey, including a randomized controlled trial that focused on reaching out to young adults from various walks of life. Using the pilot results, the data collection process can be refined and modified based on stakeholder feedback. Furthermore, the pilot survey already offers some initial insights into young adults' well-being, financially and otherwise, and their FinTech experience. Now here are some tidbits already. Young adults who can accumulate wealth or have at least the choice to spend freely are considerably less likely to lose sleep over worry or have poor mental health. They are also more likely to enjoy daily life and agency in their decision-making in general. For their financial decision-making, they rely mostly on their friends and their own internet research. FinTech apps play only a role as an information source for about 5%. Over 1/4 use this app for their budgeting and investment activities. There is also a distinct gender divide. Almost half of male respondents use FinTech apps, yet only 1 in 10 women find them useful. The main reason for not using FinTech apps is a lack of relevance. Most interestingly, organizing personal finances is quite time-consuming. On average, young adults spend 3.7 hours a week managing personal finances online. That is 1/3 of the time dedicated to socializing. If FinTech apps became more relevant, for instance by focusing more on users' needs, they may help individuals with lower incomes to start wealth accumulation and hence indirectly contribute to raising consumers' well-being, both financially and otherwise. Building on our pilot project, we hope to contribute to this transition by providing timely feedback and insights to the FinTech community and thus inform a more inclusive approach centered on consumers' needs and well-being. That's it from me. Thank you for watching.